Welcome back to the Forge. I'm Rob. Let's make something. Okay, so we just got done cutting us off a piece of leaf spring here. Bam. Okay, so cut off a piece of leaf spring. It is, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch thick. Maybe a 1/2 inch actually. I don't know. It's pretty thick. Anyways, what we're going to do with this is make a little carry cleaver. Somebody reached out to me and they want something to do a little hog hunting with. So we're going to make something a little bit beefy. Cut through, chop through, break through, but something that's still sharp so it will slicey and dicey. I do think this is going to be a little bit of a project, so y'all hang in there. We're going to try to turn this into something awesome. So now that we got the leaf spring up to temperature, let's beat the mess out of it. Okay, so now I'm just using a large ball peen to start flattening this metal out. Okay, before we get too carried away with this, we are going to go ahead and cut out our handle. That way we can draw it out and shape it to how we need to get it to look. got it kind of thinned down, stretched out some with the cross peen, kind of alternate between the cross peen and the ball peen. The customer wanted a forged look on the outside of it, which we're going to clean up, still make look nice, but leave it raw. And so now that we got all the good wave lines from the cross peen, we're going to go in and we're going to go back to the large ball peen we have here and add some extra texture to it, and then we're going to start shaping the blade itself. Okay, so we're almost finished with the handle. I'm gonna go ahead and get that knocked out off camera, and then we are gonna pick this back up when we start all the grinding and sanding and everything to get it ready for our heat treat. So let's go do that. Okay, so that wraps us up for this first part of the cleaver build. Next episode, we are going to heat treat it. We're going to torch temper the bad boy. Then we're going to make a bone handle for it, and I found some old boots, so we're going to chop those up and make a sheath out of the leather. All that's going to be neat. So if you haven't already, go down there, hit the like, and give me a subscribe even. Get down in the comments, let me know what you think. And until next time, guys, be cool and make cool stuff.